Hey guys, welcome to Tech Guru. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install Lunar Client. Lunar Client is a really simple and easy to use Minecraft client that contains some essential tools such as Optifine, which basically allow you to get more FPS. Lunar Client also has many other techniques that I'm not actually aware of on how they work, but all I do know is that it does actually help to increase your FPS. And really, if you might be thinking, do you have to take a hit on visual quality to get more FPS with Lunar? Technically, you don't. As far as I've noticed, it looks basically the same and it works the same too. So you want to do is you want to go ahead and open your preferred browser, and what you want to do is you want to go ahead and just type in Lunar Client into Google. Then after that, what you want to do is you just want to click on the first thing that comes up, so Lunar Client, and then it'll come up saying a mod pack for Minecraft 1.7.10 and 1.8.9, and I think it also supports 1.12 now, so we'll see if that's also there. So what you're gonna do is you just want to click download over here on the bottom. So I'll just go ahead and click download, and I'm on Windows, so I'm going to download the Windows version, but there is also a macOS version and a Linux version, which is pretty great for people who are on other versions, as Minecraft can be played on most versions, so it's great to see that it does work on all of those. So here you just have the agreement screen, the license agreement, so you just want to click agree, and then it will basically just install it itself. You don't really have to do much. It's really easy to install, not much to worry about, and it works the way it's like meant to work, so I don't think you'd have many problems with it. And as you can see, it's already on my desktop now, and here we have it over here, opening it up. So this is actually the Lunar Client itself. It's a really simple small client, and here you have the home screen with just some news and a few of Lunar's self servers, and here you can see more servers that they have. And over there, if you go over to settings, you'll actually see that you can change the allocated memory amount, you can change experimental updates, the resolution of your game, or you can even change the launcher settings or the launch directory. So you can decide if you want to keep the launcher open or closed after Minecraft starts. And here you have the about page, and then you also have the store, but we'll just close that because that's not really what we're here for today. So here you actually have the option for your launch options, and you can see there is a version 1.12 option, so if you are interested in those versions, there's also that. So really that's it. That's Lunar Client. Really simple, easy to use application, and this is it actually loaded up in itself. So if you guys like this video and would like to see more videos, please be sure to subscribe to Tech Guru for more videos.